guys, it's KiaTache. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. I am back today with another exciting video, and as you can see, I have a guest with me. Say hi, Arya.
Hi.
This is my daughter Arya. She is 4 years old, and this is her first time doing a YouTube video with me. Yay, so exciting, right? Okay, so as you can see by the title, you already have a hint of what today's video is. Today, Arya is going to be unboxing a surprise. Dun, 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 dun. But before we get to that, I have something else. So before we get started with the video, I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Tache. Tache is a perfume and cologne subscription service, and they are awesome. Let me tell you about this brand, guys. Come on, listen. So when you receive your package, it comes like this. You can choose from hundreds and hundreds of name brand well-known perfumes, and what they do is kind of a copy of it for less. So you get the same kind of fragrance that you would spend $200 or more for in a store for a fraction of that price. It is such a great subscription service, and I'm not just saying this because they sent me this. I'm saying this because I'm honest. You know, guys, when somebody reaches out to me, anytime I'm promoting any type of brand on my YouTube channel, I'm going to be honest. I'm not just going to lie and pretend like it's something good just because they reached out to me. Tache is the truth. So before I tell you a little bit more about the brand, let me show you what it looks like inside. So it's a subscription service, and it comes in a box like this. And it comes with a detail card, and it tells you everything about the scent that you ordered. So the scent that I chose is Lancôme La Vie Est Belle. I don't know if I said that right, but I actually love that scent. That's one of my favorite scents. So what they do is they mimic the original scent. They give you this little sample so you can try it out and see if you like it. If you don't like it, then you return this one unopened. Keep it sealed. You return it sealed, unopened, within 30 days of your purchase, and you get a full refund, or you can choose another scent that you want to try out. That's such a great deal. Like, I don't see how anyone could turn that down. It's obviously there's no gimmicks, no scams if they're allowing you to do that. So that's what's up. And get this, you can get any scent for just $29. $29 for this entire bottle. That's amazing. This is a 50 milliliters bottle. That's a lot for just $29. You can't beat that. Check out the description below for more information. All right, now let's get to the video. All right, Arya, so do you know what this is? Mm-hmm. What?
A surprise.
A surprise. Okay, guys, so I made a purchase from Gucci online, and I had it delivered to me, and it came in this box. Can't show you the outside because it has my address on it, but inside the box is their new print, and then it's just an envelope with the receipt and return labels and everything in it, and then it says Gucci on the back of that. And then here is the box, and they also gave this little reusable tote bag. So cute. My first time seeing this. All right, Arya, look, you have to do the unboxing. We're going to unbox it. So say cheese. Okay, it's time to unbox it. All right, so take off the bow. Just pull it right here. Okay, and open the box. Alright, show them what it looks like inside. Alright guys, inside the box it looks like this. Say it looks like this.
It looks like this.
Comes with this packaging, and then it comes in a little dust bag. Say this is the little dust bag.
This is a little dust bag.
Dropped the little stuff. Alright, let's show them what you got. This is Arya's first time seeing what she got also. Be really excited. Does it look like mommy's bag? Mm-hmm. It does? Okay. Hold on. Let's give it a second to unravel this. Okay, Arya, show them your purse. Show them. What do you got?
A purse.
It's a Gucci purse. This is really expensive, so you gotta take care of it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so before you guys are in the comments talking about why did you spend so much money on a 4-year-old, blah, 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 blah. Okay, number one, we will be sharing this bag. I will be wearing it the majority of the time because, of course, she's only 4. I'm not that parent that's going to spend $1 million on a 4-year-old that's probably going to mess it up and doesn't know how to take care of it yet. But she's going to learn, right? So we're going to share this bag, okay, Arya? Are you excited? So we will be sharing this bag. So when you see me on Instagram and stuff wearing this bag, don't be like, she's wearing her daughter's bag. No, it's all her bag. But yes, we're going to be sharing this. So I got this bag because I've been craving a mini bag, and I thought this would be the perfect one so me and Arya can do our mommy and me bags, because I have the Gucci Dionysus in the bigger version. If you have not seen my Dionysus bag, go ahead and check that out after you watch this video. I'm going to link it down below in the description. Anyway, so me and Arya can have mommy and me bags, so we can do little mommy and me outfits and stuff. I have some great content coming up for y'all with our mommy and me edition, so stay tuned for that. But yes, Arya, show them the inside.
Okay.
So the inside just has some paper packaging and the Kia cards. And some more Kia cards. That's it. Oh yeah, and this little chain. So this is the bag. Want to show them up close? Okay, go in front of the camera. Show them the bag. Right there. Show them the bag. Show them the back. And the inside. Open it so they can see the inside. Okay, great job. Alright, so Arya, you get to wear this bag. And the great thing about this bag is it's very versatile. You can change the length of it, so she can actually wear this as a crossbody and over shoulder. Let's see, Arya. Okay, want to show them how you can wear it? So we can tuck this under. We can like double it around and come close so I can show them how you can wear it. Oh, it's hard to snap back when it's like empty. Look, see, you can make it smaller. Okay, you cute girl, you cute girl, you cute girl. Shut up, girl, you cute girl. Okay, you can sit back down. It's so cute. I'm so excited. So when I wear this bag, I'm going to wear it with the chain longer as a crossbody or over shoulder, and you can also wear it as a belt bag, kind of like a bum bag, because it has this little clip in here that allows you to like turn it into like little belt wear. So that's going to be fun. Are you excited, Arya? Okay. Alright y'all, so yeah, so stay tuned for more videos from, I'm cutting this one short because you know it's hard to keep a 4-year-old entertained filming. Alright guys, so stay tuned for our mommy and me edition videos coming up with our new Gucci Dionysus bags and some fun content. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this and you're excited for our mommy, tell them to give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Say subscribe to my mommy's channel.
And go to my mommy's channel.
You heard her. How y'all going to deny that? Cute little face. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. And again, don't forget to check out my other video on the Gucci Dionysus. But coming soon, I'm going to also show you what fits in this bag. And we just have some amazing content coming up. Y'all don't want to miss it. It's going to be some dope mommy and me content. Alright, but before you go, I always want to leave with a word of encouragement and inspiration. So I just want to tell you that you are amazing and you're doing a great job. Keep up the great work even when things seem like they're not turning out the way that you expect them to. Do not quit. Greater is ahead. Alright, I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, good job, Arya. High five.